In this video, we will learn how to turn reset building choice on and off in Fortnite. So in Fortnite, in order to turn building reset choice on or off, all you need to do is after getting into the game, press the escape button. After that, click on the gear button to go to the settings menu. From here, you need to head to the game section. After going to the game section, from the left hand side, you need to choose the building subsection. Under the building subsection, you will find the reset building choice. So according to your need, you can turn it on or off. If you turn this setting on whenever you go to the building mode, all of your previous building choices will be reset and that particular choice will be brought up. And if you have not set it to off, then whenever you go to the building mode, your last used item will pop up. So whenever you are building something and suppose you choose a wall, so if you close it and bring it up, then the wall will be chosen yet again. So essentially this is how you can change the reset building choice option in Fortnite on or off. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.